So guys, dito tayo sa front view ng hotel natin. Kita natin dito ang view. Tapos yan. Dito tayo sa fourth floor ng hotel natin. So, kikita natin yung mountain. Yan. Tapos yung swimming pool. Yan. Daming tao. Tapos yun. Ang sea water. Ayan. Pero malamig pa ang tubig, guys. Hindi pa siya hindi pa siya yung tolerable ng natin, ng temperature natin kasi malamig pa. Ayun. So guys, look at the big cactus.
Ah no, apparently look.
It's a huge cactus, the round cactus, and that one also. Very big one.
Yeah, thank you. This way here. Shit.
Yeah, ito. We're going in the city and we will discover the place.
Ah, il y a terrain de sport, courir, si tu veux. Because here it goes back up.
We're going there. There's a lot of palm trees there. This resort, they have also swimming pool like us, but their swimming pool is this one. Guys, look, there's a gumamela plant here in this island. There's a gumamela plant color yellow orange. Yan, gumamela to siya. Here in Tenerife Island. And meron din sila, they have also here like this. I forgot the name.
Hibiscus.
In English.
Hibiscus.
Ano to siya sa atin? Basta nakalimutan ko na ang name. Yan. Dito lang yan sa island. Bakit meron sila? Guys, meron pang white gumamela dito. Yan. So, ganda ng gumamela. Yan. Guys, meron din silang pink gumamela.
Then blue gumamela. Yan ang monsieur gumamela.
The palm tree is in the middle of our way. So nice.
That's also park here, look.
Yes.
And, family rooms. Ah, that's the other hotel.
So guys, you can rent a car here, there. You can choose any different type of car you can rent, but we are not going to rent now.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
So guys, super ganda ang mga dito. Yung daanan nila dito. Tapos with palm tree. Ang daming palm tree dito. Tapos sa side niya is restaurant. Ang ganda ng halaman dito. Super nice. Dito lang yan sa Tenerife Island. They have a supermarket here like that. And it's inside. There's a lot of cafe and different type of souvenir shop. So there you go. We go now. We continue walking.
Look, this is a big like that.
So guys, tignan ninyo, that's a hotel up, and then this down is the supermarket. So guys, we can see there's a black beach here. The color of the sun is black, and they call this one Black Beach. There's a lot of people swimming. And there, it's a black beach.
This.
So guys, we are going to the Black Beach. Yeah, and we just stay here. Okay, we are here in the Black Beach, guys. We are just filming because we are not going to do the swimming because it's too cold. This is the Black Beach here in Tenerife Island. A lot of people. So beautiful.
So nice. The view here is so nice. The wave of the water and then the color of the beach. So nice. And here. Guys, look, it's like a port of Zamboanga, this one. That's the key. And then there. You can just walk and then film here because it's very nice view. And plus a lot of people walking. And there's a lot of people swimming also. And here you can see a lot of people. Swimming. It's a nice view here. The water is sea water. And a lot of people swimming. This is the Black Beach here in Tenerife Island. So nice. So guys, if you can come here, you can visit this beach, and they call this Black Beach because the sun is black. The color of the sun is black.
So guys, we are here in the Centro de Deporte. Center of the port of the Tenerife Island. Dito makikita natin ang daming palm tree din plus building sa front natin. Plus dito, tingnan ninyo. Yan.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's so nice. So nice.
Oh,
So nice, the palm trees too high.
I think it's more or less same. Here they have an old house with wooden balconies.
So guys, look, the houses here so cute, so nice. It's colorful and then small.
Look at the 7.
That's the 7 island of Canary, and we are here in the biggest one. They call this one Tenerife, the red one.
The red one, yeah.
The biggest one.
It's one of the big ones, yes.
Let's go. So here we can take a picture here. It's like a carpet.
Yes, it is.
Colorful shoes inside. Here you can see the shop. They call this a Dogo. Love.
You would wear shoes like that?
No,
Why not?
you don't like. So this is the small town or the small city of Tenerife. We're now walking in the center. This is the center of the Tenerife Island.
Wait.
Oh, that's very cute small town. Oh, cow. I like that painting. Ina is up. Ina is watching. I want to say hello to Ina.
That's cute little village.
It's a small town here. The restaurant, they have a nice decoration. Yeah. So eating people here eating here. Here. Look guys, that building is so nice. This is like a park there. The city is very cute. It's small, but it's beautiful. La Pescaderia. Ah, the fish. Wow. So guys, ganito yung lugar nila dito guys. Meron tayong makitang talisay dito. Talisay trees yan. So guys, we are here in this park. Tignan ninyo. May naliligo ng mga tao dito, mga bata. Ito sa city to, tapos sa ano, may tubig dagat.
This is a part for the fishermen through here. That's a part for the fishermen. Here, for the fishermen.
Yeah, because there's a lot of boat here. It's a lot of people now.
You see, they're doing a...
Yeah.
And if you don't find your last.
So guys, we are here in the small park inside of the center or is it the... Look.
Ah, ici, non, c'est pas. Ah, c'est pas. Little ask.
There's a hotel in the middle of the city, the middle of the center. Chinese restaurant.
No.
Yeah.
And then we see where you want to go. You want to sit down on the bench?
So guys, we are here in the center, in the town of Tenerife Island, and their city is nice. It's cute.